Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm doing a review for the 16A well, M16A well airsoft gun. Yeah, just a basic overview of the gun. Bridges here, the magazine. Yeah, it's kind of bring it down like that, lock it in, let's shake it. It holds 500 in the back, but 25 up in this thing. I took some pieces off the gun. It comes with this laser. It's a piece of crap, and you can't even see the laser. Yeah, and a flashlight. It's a really good flashlight. It actually has like 2 flashlight things, and there's a laser on it. So say this breaks, if your iron sights break, you can use that. It's not as accurate, obviously, but it'll work. Yeah, the back broke off. It's not very sturdy. It extends out to here. Shortest it goes is here. You cock it like that, pull it all the way back, like that. Yeah, it shoots pretty well. Throw this up and down. Yeah, obviously. Yeah, it's piece of crap. Well, it's not a piece of crap, but I wouldn't recommend it. You know, it's spring powered. There's a secret, you can make a shotgun, just pull it back like really short, however many times you want it. You just tuck it back, you shoot. Yeah, with the clip, just press that button. Yeah, I really wouldn't recommend it. Like maybe a backup gun, but like it's not like the greatest gun. I mean, it's $20, but that's Hobbytron, which is a really cheap site. Yeah, it's not a cheap site. Like all the guns are cheap, but they're really great guns, you know. And here, iron sights look like that. There's 2 of them. Oh no, there's no real difference. Yeah, basically it. The website, it's like $20, www.hobbytron.com, and it's not very stealthy. This is the only thing that shakes. It doesn't shake that much. It doesn't bother you at all, you know. And so the only thing that shakes is the bullets in here. Take this off. Yeah, you won't really hear anything. Yeah, that's basically it. Yeah, and just make sure the barrel doesn't get clogged up at all, and if you try to shoot, this thing cracks, put tape over it. It works. Comes with, oh yeah, it comes with a strap also. This part, and it's on the back, the rest. Yeah, once again, spring loaded. www.hobbytron.com. Bye.